Most homeowners don't realize this, but your insurance policy type can completely change how much money you get for a roof claim. Hi, my name is Sam Mirza, and we help you recover your loss from your insurance carrier in Texas after your claim is either denied or get underpaid. Today, I'm breaking down the difference between RCV and ACV policies, plus the hidden roof endorsements that can reduce your payout by thousands. RCV, or replacement cost value, means your insurance pays what it costs to replace your roof at today's prices, minus your deductible. No depreciation, no major reductions. This is the type of policy most people think they have without knowing hidden policy endorsements that can lower the insurance payout in the event of a loss. ACV, or actual cash value, subtracts depreciation based on the age and condition of your roof. The older your roof is, the less money you get. So, two homeowners with the same storm damage can get completely different payouts just because of their policy type. Let's talk about some of the most common hidden roof claim endorsements most homeowners didn't even know about until they filed their claim. Number 1, roof surface payment schedule. This is the most common endorsement in Texas policies as it puts your roof on a depreciation chart. A 15-year-old roof might only be covered at 40–50%, leaving you to pay the rest, and don't forget your deductible on top of that. Another one is ACV roof-only endorsement. Some policies are RCV for the home, but ACV for the roof. Homeowners don't notice this until a claim hits, and the payout is thousands short. Another most common endorsement is matching exclusion, where if your shingles don't match, too bad. This endorsement lets insurance replace only the damaged pieces, not the entire roof. Some new type of endorsements we are now starting to see on Texas policies are cosmetic damage exclusion. This lets insurance deny your claim if the roof is dented but not leaking. Doesn't matter how bad it looks, they walk away. Also, wind and hail exclusion, unless it creates an opening in your roof. Lastly, I wanted to remind you, even if you were to get the insurance to pay what is owed to you after the storm or damage to your roof, whatever little that is left after applying your policy endorsements, you still have to pay your deductible, and it will be deducted from your final settlement. These endorsements can slash your claim by 30 to 70%. Most homeowners don't find out until after the storm when it's too late to fix. If you don't know what's inside your homeowner's policy, you're gambling with your money. At nextadjusters.com, we review your policy absolutely no cost to you so that you know exactly what you're covered for before the next storm hits. Don't wait for a denied claim. Get ahead of it. We help homeowners get the right coverage and the payouts they deserve.